What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. If you're stopping by the channel for the first time, please consider subscribing to my channel. And while you're at it, smash that like button for me. I really would appreciate it. Also, hit that post notification bell so that you're notified every time I upload a new video. If you want up to 20 free stocks, Weeble is going to give you up to 20 free stocks when you open a new Weeble brokerage account. You put $100 in that new brokerage account, they're going to give you 3 fractional share stocks. You put $500 in that new brokerage account, they're going to give you 20 free fractional share stocks. Limited time offer, so don't delay. Act today. Get yourself down in that description box. Click on that Weeble link. Open up that Weeble account. Go get that free stock. Go get that free money. I will also send you a Weeble tutorial video that will walk you through how to use the Weeble brokerage app. All you got to do is send me an email through my website, www.richardfain.net. Second link down in the description box. Let me know you opened the Weeble account, you funded it, and I'm going to send you out that Weeble tutorial video. Yesterday, the 3 major indexes fell by an average of 2.5% on a tweet from 47 attacking the Federal Reserve Chairman Jerome Powell. I've often told you guys the stock market is very finicky. It's very sensitive. Investors are very, very sensitive as well. They don't like leader of the free world criticizing the Federal Reserve Chairman. Here's the situation, guys. You got to understand where we're at here. No country can have a successful economic system if there's only one person making all the decisions. Has the power to hire and fire the Federal Reserve Chairman, has the power to do everything he wants to do. No economic powerhouse can exist under that type of pressure. Therefore, when that tweet came out yesterday, investors already uncertain sold off to the tune of 2.5% on average on the 3 major indexes. Now, if we go all the way back to April 2nd, Liberation Day, they're down by 9% since Liberation Day. That's not good, guys. And again, what I see is a continuation of this yo-yo effect, right? 3 or 4 days, the market is down. Then all of a sudden we get a bit of good news. The market kind of rebounds a little bit, but it never gets to its full potential like it was prior to 2025. It never gets to its full financial potential, right? Matter of fact, in 2025, in the middle of April of 2025, it was at probably its highest mark it's been in a while. Think about it. You had an S&P 500 that was over 6,100 points. You had a Dow that was over 45,000 points. You had a NASDAQ that was over 20,000 points. And guys, you got to understand, this was mid-February 2025, right before 47 intensified this tariff stuff, right? Once that hit, that was it. And I can tell you right now, guys, we're going to continue to see volatility in the stock market. We're going to start seeing a lot of volatility in our economy as well, because you got a lag effect with these tariffs, right? These tariffs have been rolled out. You're talking about a blanket 10% tariff globally, right? It has been rolled out already, but you won't really feel the impact of increase in prices because it lags. So around June, July, August, that's when we will start seeing the impact of higher prices, which will push up inflation. And that's all the Federal Reserve Chairman Jerome Powell was saying last week when he made those remarks in Chicago. He was just saying, listen, we're going to have an increase in inflation based on these tariffs. Now, he was saying, I don't know how long that will last. It may be transitory. It may be short term, but we're going to have it. And I believe that. And, 47 didn't like that. Plus 47 doesn't like the fact that he can't just wave his wand and make the Federal Reserve Chairman do whatever he tells him to do. The Federal Reserve Chairman says, no, I'm not doing it. my number one priority are the American people. Federal Reserve Chairman is going to stand his ground. He says that 47 cannot fire him because the law says he can. All we can do as investors, in my opinion, is continue to do what? Invest, right? I can't worry about a lot of them shenanigans because I can't control any of that. All I can do is continue to dollar cost average into big boy blue chip paper assets to build my wealth over a long period of time. That's really all I can do. I can't control any of that other stuff. Nor am I going to try to control any of that other stuff. My job here is to build my wealth. And if I got to build it in volatile times, I will. Because I know at some point these volatile times will be over. This won't last forever, right? I don't know how long it'll last, but it won't last forever. So my mindset now is just expect the market to be volatile, but build wealth anyways. And how am I going to do that? I'm just going to DCA into my favorite ETFs and my favorite individual stocks. Y'all know I got that wealth transfer blueprint 1.0. I'm just going to continue to dollar cost average into the 1.0 blueprint every single month for the next 9 years. And at the end of that, I got to have faith and believe in the historical performance of the stock market will deliver me the return that I need over that next 9 years to continue to build my wealth so I can get to financial freedom. See, I can't sit on the sideline and sit this one out because it's volatile. I'm not going to do that. I'm going to buy these companies. I'm going to buy these ETFs while they're at a discount, and I'm going to trust the process. The process says go long on them, you'll be fine. And that's what I'm going to go ahead and do. Because at some point, we're going to have a different administration. I don't know when that is, but it will happen, right? And I still got my fingers crossed that this current administration will get us back on the right track when it comes to a thriving stock market, a thriving economy. I'm still got my fingers crossed for that. But if it don't happen, I can't control that. What I can control is my effort and my attitude and my building wealth capabilities on a daily basis. That's the only thing I can really control, right? I can't control anything else. All I can do is control my investment activities, which that's what I plan on doing. Well, guys, drop me some comments and let me know what y'all think about the 9% drop on average in the three major indexes since April 2nd. It's not good. It's not good, but it's an opportunity, right? It's an opportunity for us to buy these discounts and then hold them till they trade at a premium again at some point in the future. If you want up to 20 free stocks, Weeble is going to give you up to 20 free stocks when you open a new Weeble brokerage account. You put $100 in that brokerage account, they're going to give you 3 fractional share stocks. You put $500 in that new Weeble brokerage account, they're going to give you 20 free fractional share stocks. Limited time offer. Don't delay. Act today. Get yourself down to the description box. Click on that first link, which is that Weeble link. Open up that Weeble account. Go get that free stock. Go get that free money. www.richardfain.net is the website address. I got 10 big boy blue chip digital products that will change your financial life. Guys, don't sleep on these financial products. They will change your life, man. Trust me on this. Thousands of you guys have already made an investment in yourself and purchased the digital products. And it's been helping people. So don't sleep on them. Also, while you're in the website, consider joining the fastest growing financial community on Patreon. We're called the Wealth Builders. We got over 1,900 wealth builders in our financial community, headed to 2,000. We had a wonderful live stream last night on Patreon where some of the wealth builders were in attendance. We talked about gorilla stocks. We talked about we talked about a bunch of stuff. And it's all private. And if you're not a part of the wealth builders, you can't access it. So if you want to be a part of those, every Monday night we have that live stream at 8 p.m. Eastern time. You got to come join the wealth builders. We also have a real live community chat every single day where members are in there dropping nuggets, tips, best practices, what's working, what's not working. Just an overall safe environment to help people build wealth. So if you want to be a part of that, inside of the website, click on the join button, the membership button. It'll take you over to Patreon and come join the fastest growing financial community on Patreon. We'd love to have you and help you get to your wealth. Just stopping by the channel for the first time, please consider subscribing, share the video, smash the like button. Thoughts become things. You can see it in your mind, hold it in your hands. You guys keep chasing your greatness. Never stop believing in yourself. Stay healthy, get wealthy, and I'll catch you on the next video. Peace.